I'm Ben Scheffer with East Coast Yacht Sales, and today I'm standing aboard best day ever, this beautiful 2021 Sirena 58 Coupe. With only 367 hours on the engines, this boat has barely been broken in and is ready for the next big adventure. Without further ado, let's get into it. So starting here on the swim platform, huge hydraulic swim platform, and access to the crew quarters right off of here. So you just twist this handle, open it up. Right now it's being used as storage, which you can see laundry machines, and there's also a head in here, and all of this is air-conditioned space, which makes it really easy for doing any sort of swimming and then needing to put clothes anywhere without getting all gross and mildewy. You have steps leading up on either side from the swim platform up into the cockpit. Here on the starboard side, you have your swim platform controls, massive cleats, capstan, and then line lockers, as well as your fuel emergency shutoff. But you can see back here, just huge amount of space for entertaining on the aft deck. You have a large opening sunshade back here. And then on the starboard side, you have your grill, as well as ice maker. And on the port side, you have a sink, as well as a refrigerator. So in terms of entertaining back here, just incredibly well set up, really well thought out, great amount of space. And as I said before, sure shade that extends all the way over the back of this seating area, so you can be totally protected from the sun. And as you can likely tell, I have both the port and starboard doors open right now, which just allows great access from the galley all the way out to that aft deck seating area. So you really just feel connected to everything when you're back here cooking. You have your sink, you have your Miele induction cooktop, you have your Miele convection microwave, and then you have your dishwasher as well. Port side, you have 4 separate refrigerators or freezers. So what that means, each one of these can be configured to all be freezers, all be refrigerators, or have 2 fridges and 2 freezers. So just really good amount of space there for refrigeration. Battery switches, you can see little coffee maker as well, but just a really good amount of storage here also. Then starboard side, not only do you have all of this, you also have your hood and more spice storage and additional large storage. Right now, because I am in hot South Carolina, I have all the windows nice and open so that you can see just how much visibility that there is. But I also have both of the sunroofs open, which just creates so much ventilation in here. I mean, it's amazing. You really do not need a flybridge boat when you have this much airflow going through. You also have a Bowers & Wilkins sound system around here. Tested that out. It sounds amazing. The system on this boat is just so conducive to listening to great music at whatever volume you want and having it high quality. As you walk towards the helm, you have even more storage under here. You have access to your breakers just next to your helm seat. And then you have the helm seat with the fold out bolster. So you can sit or lean, and you have great visibility from right here. So you have these large Garmin displays. You have this display, which is for your Volvo engines. So you can see all of your engine data on there. Controller on the left-hand side, bow and stern thruster, variable speed, and autopilot, automatic zip wake trim tabs. So really ergonomic in terms of overall switch layout as you're here at the helm, which is incredibly nice. But on top of that, the visibility from here is unparalleled. I mean, the ability to see 360 degrees on this is just marvelous. You have your pantograph door here on the starboard side. I have unlocked that. You probably are getting a little bit of windage as I walk onto the foredeck, but you can see even more hangout space up here. Separate Fusion stereo system up on the foredeck, as well as nice forward-facing seat and your bunny pad. You also have extremely deep, but you could fit all of your lines of fenders down there if you wanted to. And then walking around, you also have pop-up lights, additional storage, which right now has the ladder to get onto the roof, all of the forward sunshades that are for all of the windows here, as well as a life raft. And then on the starboard side here, one of my favorite features and what makes this boat so unique, you have access to the forward master. And this really is very much a one-of-a-kind Sirena setup. So as we step down here, you can see you have access to the foredeck, so all of the hangout space up there, but then you also have your forward master here. So large hanging locker just beneath that, great for foul weather gear. Additional storage space there, but you have your own private oasis up here in the bow of the boat. So you have your head, which has this massive shower and the Sirena signature rain shower as well. Another large hanging locker here on the port side with a safe, and then your television up forward, and great access all the way around this bed. So really, really nice layout. And again, super unique. Definitely one of those things where people are going to see it and go, I absolutely have to have a boat with the forward master because I want to have that separation from my guests where I can shut this door right here and be able to have my own space. Or people are going to go, nope, I would rather have all of the space aft. As we go through the door that separates the forward master to the rest of the boat, let's head down to the guest cabins. So starboard side, you have this nice large guest cabin, another large hanging locker, additional storage back on that starboard side, and then huge head in here, another rain shower, and then great amount of storage just behind the door here. This is one of those options that Sirena thought out perfectly because it is completely hidden with the door open, but with the door shut, you just have that much more space. Heading across, you have your twin bed stateroom. This one definitely has a slightly smaller head with a wet head, but you still have a head, you still have a shower, and again, very comfortable third head in terms of primary heads and hanging locker here. I'm gonna head back up to the pilot house from those aft cabins, just so that you can see how nice and flowing it is from here. Cannot beat just how great this layout is. I mean, I truly love this forward master as well as the coupe with the opening sunroofs. It is extremely comfortable, not in the slightest bit claustrophobic, and allows you so much space. And that was the Sirena 58 Coupe best day ever. If you have any questions, all of my contact information will be in the description below, as well as a link to the listing. So feel free to reach out, and I look forward to hearing from you.